Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a flicker flash on CapCut PC. So go to library and add this to your sort of track, and then you are going to select overlay for this one. You're also going to go to animation and go to fade out, and then I'm just going to have it like this and have it a little bit shorter. And for the flicker, you're just going to go to text, add text, just do a dot or an eye, it is up to you, and I'm just going to scale it till it fits the whole screen like so, and then I'm just going to adjust the opacity like this. And for the animation, I am just going to choose loop, and you are just going to choose random flash and have this read really quick. And that is pretty much it. You can adjust the opacity again if it's too bright. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!